Tired of drowning in repetitive tasks and endless emails? Let's build automated workflows that will free you from your busy work. Today, we're diving into Microsoft Power Automate. We're not just talking about automation. We're talking about reclaiming your time and boosting your productivity. First, head over to Power Automate and click the Create button in the left-hand navigation. This will take you to a selection of templates and starting points. We are going to build an automated cloud flow. Now, let's select a trigger. A trigger is an event that starts your flow. Scroll down and select when a new email arrives, then name the flow at the top left of the page. Next, configure your trigger. Specify the inbox you want to monitor, subject filter, and any other relevant conditions, like only looking for emails with attachments. Okay, now let's add an action. An action is what Power Automate will do when the trigger occurs. Click the New Step button. Type in SharePoint and select it, then select Create File. Next, we're going to configure the file path, file name and file content. Select the folder you would like the attachments to be saved to. For file name, we will select the attachment's name, and for file content, we will select the attachment's content. And there you have it, a simple flow that automatically saves email attachments to SharePoint. Now save your flow and give it a test. Explore different triggers and actions to build workflows tailored to your specific needs. That's all for this video. Be sure to like and subscribe for more workflow automation tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.